away from the bonfire. Then, when he's distracted...
I'll shoot him.
Can't Bonnie just juju him or something?
I'm trying to keep Bonnie out of this. I don't trust that Stefan won't hurt her. Caroline, are you covered?
Yes. I will make sure that the old Forbes jail cell is prepped and ready.
You're forgetting a key player here. Rebecca? Wherever Stefan goes, a blonde ponytail tends to follow.
Which is why it's your job to keep her away.
How? She's an original. Last time I checked.
We're out of daggers.
So then, preoccupy her with your charm.
Might have better luck finding the dagger.
Are you ever not gonna be mad at me, Rick?
Doubtful. Sorry I'm late. What's going on?
We need you to raid your mom's Vervain supply, enough to keep Stefan down for a while.
You can't do that to Stefan.
Why not? Trust me, Tyler, it's in his best interest.
Yeah.
It's not in Klaus's.
But Klaus is the bad guy, Tyler. Why are you acting like some freaky hybrid slave minion?
Uh-oh. What? Klaus made me who I am, Caroline. I owe him everything.
Oh boy.
Okay, can we cool it on the commentary, please?
What is going on?
I'm just gonna go.
What are you doing?
He's been sired.
What?
Sired. He feels loyal to Klaus because Klaus's blood created him.
Loyal how?
He'll seek acceptance from his master. It's really rare, but maybe not so much in hybrids.
So how do I fix him?
Get a new boyfriend.
Right there?
Thought Tyler would be here.
You're into Tyler now, huh? It's kind of fickle.
When you're willing to give me the time of day again, we'll talk. Until then, a girl has needs.
Excuse me.
Elena, hi. What are you doing?
I'm having fun, Stefan. You have a problem with that?
All right, take it easy. Both know you're kind of a lightweight.
Really? You think I'm gonna let a blood addict tell me how to drink?
Concentrate on me, Maddie.
This is too weird.
Just focus. This is a good thing. Now, say you accept me.
I accept you.
Did you just...
I felt that. I feel that too.
It worked. Oh, I'm here, Maddie.
You talked to Anna about this?
She's on the other side, Bonnie. Okay, I thought she might know something.
About what? I thought they were all alone over there.
Somehow Vicky's been communicating with some super strong witch.
There's another witch involved. Don't you think you should have come to me before you went to Anna?
Tell her not to be upset. I was just trying to help.
Like, not now, Anna.
She's here.
She's just trying to help.
You know what? I can't deal with this right now.
Bonnie!
Matt's trying to resurrect his dead sister. I think I'll go deal with that instead.